don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to MFNZO TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 1, Cameroon 2. I'm joined by Lovers.
Stibo Shapuzit.
I'm not. So like a match.
Stibo. It's not a secret or ke support Bafana.
Yeah.
But I think it's a good thing where we lost.
Why?
Ne? For two obvious reasons. Ne?
One?
The first one is because of self-entitlement.
Self-entitlement.
Yeah. My parents are nasally too self-entitled.
True.
To Bafana.
True.
Handle they forgot ne or that flag. Asia Pirates in South Africa.
National team.
The national team even belongs to a kid that was born 10 seconds ago.
That's right.
I understand that. So they were too self-entitled. So that's the first reason. The second reason is because Hugo Bros needs to start understanding or a favoritism is not going to take him anywhere. We understand that. Just because you are a player or Lala International doesn't mean you're the best.
Lyle Forst.
Why Roblas Alisiko? Why Loche Alisiko? Bo puso di tejane ba saletse Stibo. I understand that Stibo, it's time now.
Yeah.
Hugo Bros, he must go back to the drawing board.
Yeah.
Drop players that are not benefiting the squad.
That's true.
Bring in people that are going to make us win. Or else, if he fails to do that, high blood. But let's bring in a better coach. Yeah, because they're failing us as a country.
That's right.
But other than that, I'm not happy or the squad lost, but I'm glad it happened. Because then people will start opening their eyes. Wake up call. Other than that, Stibo, congratulations to Cameroon.
Yeah.
Thank you, Steve.
Honor man of the match.
Aye. Nage sharp. And like the game is already letting go fellas Stibo. Ne? I must just say Mbogazi, that boy is a well-oiled machine.
Yeah.
Ne? That boy has proved himself from game number 1.
Yeah.
So I can never fault that boy anything.
Yeah.
Sailor Mane, I can never fault that guy.
Yeah.
Mrembula brought on his A game. Ne? I'm happy with the guys, but let's see. And not everybody gave their A game, obviously.
Yeah.
Mare, Mrembula, Sailor Mane, Mbogazi, they stood out. They are the highlight for me. Yeah, and I still say, even today, ne? Rowan Williams is overhyped and overrated.
Preach, my brother.
The prime over Williams, Hasalio. He's done.
Yeah.
He might as well just
Retire.
How do you feel, Steve?
Thank you, Steve. How you be? Thank you, Steve.